Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Ismet Salem, and today I am going to explain my midterm text for language and technology. In this video, I will talk about four main points. First, the three stages of call. Second, the advantage and disadvantage of using technology in language learning. 3. Some new vocabulary related to technology. And last, how I create learning material using an application. So let's start with the first one. CALL stands for Computer Assisted Language Learning. Basically, CALL developed in three main stages. The first stage is behavioristic call, which appeared around the 1916 to 1917. This stage focused on drill and practice, helping students repeat patterns and grammar correctly. For example, using a program like Hot Potatoes to do grammar or vocabulary exercise. The second stage is communicative call, which developed in the 1918 to 1919. At this stage, the focus shifts from drill to communication and meaning. Students use computer to send email, chat with others, or play interactive language game. The third stage is integrative call, which began in the 2000 until now. In this stage, technology is fully integrated into learning. Students and teachers use multimedia tools such as Duolingo, Kahoot, Quiz, or even YouTube video to practice all language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing in one process. So the second question, let's move the practice and cons of using technology in language learning. Advantage: first, language become more interesting and fun because we can use video, game, or interactive apps. Second is flexible. We can study anytime and anywhere. 3. Technology support independent learning, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Disadvantage: not all students have good internet access or proper device. Too much screen time can reduce face-to-face communication. And finally, not all information online is relevant, so teachers still need to guide students in choosing the right source. The next question. Here are some new vocabulary related to technology and language learning. The first, gamification. That is using game element to make learning more fun. The second, multimedia. That is learning that combines text, sound, image, and video. Number 3, virtual classroom. That is an online classroom where teacher and student meet and learn. Number 4, artificial intelligence. That is smart technology that can help learning. For example, AI. Number 5, cold storage. That is a place to save file online. Number 6, podcast. That is a digital audio program used for listening practice. The last, number 7, platform. That is a website or apps used for learning activities such as Kahoot or Canva. The next question, created learning material using technology. If I were a teacher, I would use Canva to make my learning material because it's simple, attractive, and easy to use. The topic I choose is descriptive text. Here, how do it? First, I open application Canva and select a presentation template. Then I add some slides explaining the definition, structure, and example of descriptive text. I also add picture to make the slide more engaging. After that, I create a short exercise. For example, student describes a picture in 5 sentences. Finally, I add Kahoot quiz links so students can review what they learned in a fun way. So the last conclusion from the explanation above, we can see that technology play a very important role in language learning. It helps both teacher and student to interact in now creative and flexible way. Through call, we can understand how technology has evolved from simple drill-based program to fully interact learning system. However, technology also has negative side if used unwisely. That's why teachers still have a big role as facilitator to guide students in use technology for the right purpose. At the same time, students must be active, responsible, and independent learning. Personally, I believe technology makes learning language more exciting and enjoyable. It turns learning into sometimes interactive. We can learn, play, and explore at the same time. When we use technology wisely, it does not replace the teacher, it supports them. So, in conclusion, technology is not a replacement for teacher, but a powerful tool to make language learning easier, creative, and meaningful. That's all my explain for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope my explanation help you understand more about language and technology. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.